Hi, folks. Good afternoon. This is Flo Grace Maloney Nee Prendergast. Today is Wednesday, the 19th of August 2020. Did a little write up. I had attended a lecture by Dr Chidi in 2017 on depression, and he spoke about the magnitude of the connections in the human brain. And today I watched a movie, and the guy takes his son who cannot speak to a doctor, and after examining the boy and then asking the question what caused it, when did it happen, he says, oh, sorry, excuse me, I just okay, all right, let's continue. Right. Right, I'm not doing this video again. Anyway, it's human. Right. Excuse me. If I was in public, I would have gone somewhere else. Right. So it's the doctor says a lot of this is in the mind. So my question is, have you noticed we've got these energy monitors? Why don't we have energy monitors to prevent and also to restore our health, especially our mental health, emotional health, our mental well-being? There's little knowledge on it, and I'll tell you, the last 12 years I feel I could write a book. Anyway, maybe blessed. Let's think about it and let's be proactive. Why wait till something bad happens? I wouldn't want you to experience one chapter of what I went through, not even 1 second of what I went through. But God made me, He doesn't make mistakes. And so there was a lot of things He knew which was going to cause healing from what I went through. May you be blessed. All right. Look at my Facebook if you want a bit more information. Flo Grace Maloney Nee Prendergast is my name, but on Facebook it's Flo Maloney hyphen Prendergast. See you.